Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Instagram post after posting. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and go into your post. Okay, and then you need to click on the share icon and click on add post to your story. And here you need to click on the sticker icon in the top, and here you need to select the music that you want to add into that. Okay, click on done in the top right. Okay, once music is added, you can see that you can add any music to that, and after that you need to save that post. Okay, and once you save into your smartphone, you simply need to click on plus and share that here. So this is a process by which you can add music to Instagram post after posting. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.